Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Artlist versus Motion Array. Which is the best platform for creators? Artlist and Motion Array are popular subscription services offering diverse creative assets. This concise comparison highlights their key features, pricing, pros and cons, and these details will help you decide which best fits your needs. Also, you can explore their libraries via the links in the description as we've provided them. Now, starting with the features, Artlist boasts of a content library of 180,000 videos, 60,000 music tracks, and 50,000 SFX. Artlist focuses on high-quality, curated royalty-free music, sound effects, cinematic stock footage, video templates, AI voiceover, AI image and video tools, and plugins, and offers a simple universal license. Motion Array, on the other hand, throws a punch of 500,000 videos, 125,000 music and SFX tracks, and thus offers a vast library of video templates, motion graphics, stock footage, music, sound effects, graphics, photos, and a lot of them. Motion Array primarily offers a royalty-free license with some editorial use restrictions. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Artlist has the music SFX, which starts at $9.99 per month, which is designed for social media content creators and covers clearing and monetizing content on one entire channel per social platform. It does also have the AI voiceover plan, and this starts at $11.99 per month. This is specifically for AI voice generation with a certain amount of voiceover time included. Then you have the AI suite. This starts at $29.99 per month. You get to have about 40,000 credits, and this includes AI image, video, and AI voiceover tools. You also have the footage and templates plan, and this starts at $31.99 per month. It provides access to stock footage of up to 8K, video templates, and lots. Then you have the Artlist Max, and this starts at $39.99 per month. This is an all-in-one plan, and it includes music, sound effects, voiceovers, and everything that you can imagine in the other plans. This can be also called the everything plan. In our recommendation, if you're into all these facets of content creation, then the Artlist Max might be the best deal for you. Motion Array, on the other hand, has a video templates plan at $15.99 when billed annually, and this plan includes video templates, presets, and motion graphics, and it is available for one user at a time. The AI voiceover plan starts at $10.99 when billed annually. Then you have the everything plan at $24.99 per month when billed annually. You also have the business plan, and this plan is designed for companies with over 50 employees and agencies. It supports unlimited users, offers a license covering commercial use worldwide, and priority customer care. Then you also have the teams, and this plan is for up to 2 to 7 users. The everything plan on the Motion Array is also a great choice, coming at $24.99 per month when billed annually. It provides a wide range of options for your content creation. And now with the pros and the cons to Artlist. Starting with the pros, you have high quality curated music and SFX, simple universal license, unlimited downloads, a growing asset library, user-friendly interface, original content, and music stems. On the flip side, with the cons, it can be actually pricier and potentially less depth in some music genres. It has smaller video template and footage library when compared to Motion Array. Motion Array, on the other hand, with its pros, has a vast video template and motion graphics library. It has unlimited downloads, affordable pricing, a broad asset range, and this includes graphics and photos. It also has useful plugins and integrations and team plans. On the flip side, with the cons, the music and SFX quality might be less curated. It does have a less intuitive search when it comes to audio and footage, and some editorial use-only restrictions can be perceived as a strong con. In conclusion, Artlist excels in high-quality audio and straightforward licensing, while Motion Array offers a broader range of assets, particularly video assets, at a competitive price. You can go ahead and choose any of these services based on your primary asset needs and budget. We have the links to both so you can begin your journey, so do let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.